What's going on, folks? It's me, Mikey fucking Pipes. See that guy right there? Sitting in the back of a U-Haul trailer, schwitzing like a momser, smoking a cigarette. There he is. Kind of reminds me of someone I know in Florida. Holy shit! Oh, let me turn off this music. Roger Waters, he's an anti-Semite. Fuck that, he hates the Jews. They made some good music, though. It's Thursday, August 14th. I'm on Avenue P and East 15th Street in the heart of Brooklyn, Borough Park. It's 10 after 8 here, and I'm outside my dentist's office. Yep. The other night, I was at dinner. Oh, man, I thought that truck was going to clip the train trestle. Look at him. He's smoking another cigarette. Look at that. I don't know what he's loading into this U-Haul trailer with that appliance dolly. Looks like a nice appliance dolly too, by the way. But he's struggling. He's struggling. Anyway, I'm outside the dentist's office. The other night at dinner with another couple, my wife, and a friend of mine sitting across from me. I order these chicken poppers, the original buffalo chicken poppers with French fries, and a side of this white sauce that is the closest thing I'm going to get to blue cheese that I can dip my chicken into. It's actually very good. And a friend of mine sitting across, he orders what looks like fried calamari, but darker in color because it's fried steak strips. And they're like in the same kind of circular-ish fashion of calamari. And I'm like, oh man, that looks good. I was like, yeah, have some. I was like, yeah, have one of my 2 remaining poppers because I ate the whole tray all by myself. Like a savage. I'm like, wow, this is pretty good. Have a couple more, and then I hear there's like a hard crunch in my mouth, and I'm like, oh fuck! I move your tongue around, like, oh motherfucker, broke a tooth. Man, one thing I hate, man, is a dentist, and I'm really hoping that I'm not getting a root canal this morning. I'm really praying. Because I am not going to be a happy camper. The last time I had an encounter at the dentist, this guy right here, by the way, I wasn't able to open my mouth more than that much for 2 months. Seriously. It just was that sore. I couldn't put the big black thing in my mouth, So I'm sitting here watching this guy, right? You see him. Sitting here watching him. Oh, he's getting up. He's getting up! He's getting up, folks! He's getting up! He's getting up! I kid you not! He is getting up. He's erect. Can he do it? Let's see him try. He's actually trying to, I think he's trying to step into the back of the trailer. Can he do it? Yeah! Oh no! Yes, he did it! Hallelujah! He did it! Folks, oh my God, look at his ass cheeks, and it looks like he pissed himself out of his butthole. Oh my God, folks. Oh. Anyway, I'm feeling quite, regardless of what's about to go down here in 50 minutes. I'm early, very early for the dentist. Regardless of what goes down here in 50 minutes, I feel incredibly blessed. Incredibly blessed, you know. That mom in Virginia, Spotsylvania, Virginia, she's getting hooked up. She's getting hooked up. We're giving her a donated ACIQ heat pump system so she can cool her home and heat her home again, and crazy efficiently. Like, I didn't even think of this. We're taking out a 2-ton Trane R22 heat pump system, right, with a compressor which is kaput, and we're putting in an ultra high efficient variable speed inverter heat pump communicating system. God damn. It's awesome. It's crazy. Wow. I can't even imagine. Forget about the instant gratification of helping this family have indoor climate control again, heating, air conditioning. But imagine how much lower their electric bill, their energy bill is going to be by having an inverter-driven communicating HVAC system. I can't even imagine. I can't even imagine how much money we're going to save this family that's just barely getting by paycheck to paycheck. And they're both working. And they're just barely getting by. You know what? Let me look up the house. And I know it's a ranch, but let me just see what this looks like. Look at that cute little house. See that? Wow. Patriotic family as well. Look at that. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Cute house. 4 bedrooms, 1 bath, 1,288 square feet. I love it. The American flag is flying right in front. I absolutely love it. Property taxes. This is what gets me. $1,600 a year in property taxes. Wow. And they, looks like they bought the house about 5 years ago, right? In the beginning of COVID. They bought it at a good time, that's for sure. Wow. At least that's according to Zillow and House Call Pro. Yeah, so I have a contractor that is offered to do the job and committed to do it. We're going to pay for all incidentals. He's trying to get out of the truck now. I think he's going to bust his ass. No, he managed. And, yeah. We're going to get it done. And ACIQ is donating the equipment. I just got to wait for the gentleman at the HVAC contractor. Literally is 20 minutes away from this family. He's going to size it up, make sure we're getting the right equipment. You know, it's a small house, so 2.5 tons, you know. Inverter, it's great, you know. It'll ramp up or down accordingly. Be awesome. Can't wait to do it. And I'm really praying that we can get this done at a time where I can also be present as well and have a great time there and show this family some love and show them how the trades, you know, we're an amazing brotherhood of individuals, regardless if you're an electrician, HVAC plumber. You know what? We're going to do our part to make the trades great again. All right, let me see if I can get into this dentist's office early. He's been texting me. Thanks for letting me rant and rave this morning. Catch you in the next one. Be well. God bless. Stay safe.